Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Dragon Race in Blox Fruits. Now you need to know that you should have access to Hydra Island or Volcano Island, but in this video I'll show you exactly how to find it and where to find it in Hydra Island. So the first you'll have to go to get to this place, then go through this waterfall. As you can see, you'll have to go down till you get to the bottom of the waterfall. Then you will have to go through this water right here. After you go through this water, you will find here at the end of this route, you will find this door right here. When you get near of it, here you have the sacred temple. Just go through this door, crash it, then go into it. And once you go into it, you will find these NPCs. You'll have to kill them all. Once you kill them all, you'll have to crash this door also. This is a secret place. You'll have to get into it. And once you get into it, you'll find the route. Just go through it, then turn to the left, and you will find this room right here. And there you can actually get the dragon race. The room will be just like so. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.